If your water softener is messing with your septic system, you gotta know what to watch out for and how to keep both working smooth. So, first off, water softeners add salt to your water, which can really throw off the natural bacteria in your septic tank that breaks down waste. To keep things chill, try not to run your softener all day long. Spread out the regeneration cycles so it's not dumping a ton of salt water at once. Also, check the salt level regularly, but don't go overboard. Too much salt can overload your septic system. If you notice your drains are slow or the septic smells weird, that might be a sign the system is struggling. Another tip is to use potassium chloride instead of regular sodium salt in your softener, since it's less harsh on septic bacteria. And definitely avoid pouring harsh chemicals or bleach down the drain, because that'll kill the good bacteria too. If you're unsure, it's always smart to hit up a professional who knows both water softeners and septic systems to get advice tailored to your setup. One of the biggest issues people face with water softeners and septic systems is salt overload, which can kill the bacteria your septic tank needs. Fix this by reducing how often your softener regenerates and using potassium chloride salt. Another common mistake is ignoring slow drainage or foul odors, which often means the septic system is clogged or stressed. Calling a septic service early can prevent bigger problems. Lastly, folks sometimes flush harsh cleaners or chemicals thinking it won't matter, but that wipes out septic bacteria and messes with water softener efficiency. Sticking to gentle, septic-safe products helps keep everything balanced. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find local contractors they can trust for any home improvement or repair job. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who really need their skills and services.